the day I've had. First fish. First fish. First bass. It's probably 14. Probably 14. 14. I just running the chatterbait along this grass line. Opened up a little bit, so I think that's what happened. I think that's where it is. I'll take the fish. First fish here though. Morning. Maybe 14 probably. Measure it anyway. Measure it anyway, so I can have a tally for the day. Good one. Nice healthy fish. Back in the water. Slat rockets. Slat rockets. Alright, so this morning I'm throwing the jackhammer. Just everybody knows about it, it's not a secret, so. And I'm dropping it down and letting it settle on the bottom. I'm in about 5 feet of water. And just slow rolling it through. Last couple casts have been pretty good bites, as you've seen, so that's what I'm throwing right now. Like I said, never been on this water before, and I've got a couple fish in the boat already, so it's working. Pickerel. Face. That was almost in my face. Good spot, but I think I know I'm going to the same size today. Coming back. Healthy fish, nice and fat. Yes. Love it. Love it. Nice. That's my limit in the boat. not a big limit. That one might not even make 12. Stocky little sucker. Stocky little thing. Big pickerel on the drop shot. These things are loaded here. Loaded. I went deeper and they're still out here. Oh, that's not a pickerel. Oh, it's crappie. There's crappie in here. It's bag today, boys. Careful. Crappie. It's not really. Kind of a surprise. Alright, well, that's a wrap for today. You'll see some pretty good footage and more pickerel than I ever even care to catch again. So that's a wrap.